Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Nissan Sentra brake pads. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a flat, stable surface with the parking brake engaged for safety. Before lifting, slightly loosen the lug nuts on the wheel you plan to work on. Then, use a floor jack to raise the vehicle and secure it firmly with two jack stands. Having the right tools, such as a 14mm wrench and a C-clamp, will make the process much smoother. Once the vehicle is safely supported, remove the wheel completely. You might find it helpful to turn the steering wheel to gain better access to the brake assembly. Next, locate and remove the two 14mm caliper bolts. Carefully lift the brake caliper off the rotor, making sure to hang it securely to prevent any damage to the brake hose. Finally, slide out the old brake pads from the caliper bracket. Now it's time for the new components. Use a C-clamp or a dedicated brake spreader tool to compress the caliper piston back into its housing. Thoroughly clean the caliper bracket and guide pins, then apply a thin layer of brake grease to ensure smooth operation. Install the new anti-rattle clips and carefully slide the new brake pads into the bracket. Finally, lower the caliper over the new pads and secure it by tightening the 14mm bolts to approximately 20 foot-pounds. With the new pads and caliper in place, reinstall the wheel. Tighten the lug nuts progressively in a star pattern to ensure even seating. Once the wheel is secure, carefully lower your vehicle from the jack stands. Before driving, sit in the driver's seat and pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This restores brake line pressure. Lastly, check your brake fluid reservoir to confirm the fluid level is at the proper mark.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.